Here, I will talk about a really beautiful city that I have been lucky enough to visit. Let me tell you about the beautiful city of Copenhagen in Denmark. I had the opportunity to visit Copenhagen a couple of years ago, and it was truly a mesmerizing experience that I will perhaps never forget. I flew into Copenhagen from my hometown, and as soon as I landed, I was greeted by the charm and beauty of this city. One of the things that struck me the most about Copenhagen is its stunning architecture. The city is dotted with colorful buildings, cobblestone streets, and picturesque canals, giving it a fairy tale-like ambience. During my time in Copenhagen, I made sure to visit some of its famous landmarks, such as the iconic Nyhavn harbour. Walking along the waterfront, surrounded by vibrant buildings and lively cafes, was an absolute delight. I also explored the historic district of Frederiksstaden, home to the majestic Amalienborg Palace and the breathtaking marble church. One of the highlights of my trip was visiting Tivoli Gardens, one of the oldest amusement parks in the world. Stepping into Tivoli felt like entering a magical wonderland, with its enchanting gardens, thrilling rides, and captivating entertainment. What makes Copenhagen truly beautiful, in my opinion, is its perfect blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Despite being a bustling metropolis, Copenhagen has managed to preserve its rich cultural heritage while embracing innovation and progress. The city's commitment to sustainability, green spaces, and cycling culture also adds to its allure. My visit to Copenhagen was nothing short of unforgettable. Its beauty, charm, and vibrant atmosphere left a lasting impression on me, and I can't wait to go back and explore more of this enchanting city.